What's this? Oh, look at this. The grassy stuff. Yo, Jeff, what you doing? Yo, Jeremy. Hey, Jeremy.
Hey, Moose. How you doing, Moose?
Yo, not much.
I'm just cooking up some stuff right here. I have some cake.
Jeremy, you broke the chemistry set right here. You completely. Hey, don't touch it.
I'm sorry.
We gotta make something big. Like
here,
what are you talking about? What are we making? Are we making like some Minecraft stuff, or what are we doing, huh? Not real, something small. Wait. Oh, okay. So that doesn't make any sense. What do you mean? And what's all this research for, bro?
You want have some pumpkin pie?
Oh no! All right. It was some cookies with some pumpkin pie and some milk and some cake. We're making a small daycare, the world's smallest Minecraft daycare. Oh, that's pretty cool.
What?
Yeah, that's pretty dope. But like, how are we gonna do
that?
that?
Possible.
Boom, boom. So you guys start building the second floor. Build the actual interior of the daycare, like the entrance and stuff. Okay, dudes. So Jeff, I want you to build it because I feel like you know how to do that. Here we have a mini daycare version, bro. I gotta say, it's pretty impressive, man. What's up, buddy?
I'm almost done with this roof. Look. It's gonna be super beautiful.
Welcome to another day of daycare. Yo, daycare is always crazy, bro. What is going on, everybody? I'm super excited for today's daycare, man. Let's go see what Jeff and Jeremy are up to today, bro. Jeff! Hello, Jeff? Jeff, where are you? Oh! Oh man. Okay, we need an escape plan. Let's grab all the flowers, and if we hide... Ah! No! Please, leave a like! Subscribe me, son of a to protect me from this crazy woman over here named Mosina. Nope. Hey, stop it. I am not interested. Where's Jeff letting him? Jeff! No. Go. Gotta go. Hey,
Moose!
Stop!
Moose!
Jeremy! Help me out!
Moose!
She's trying to kill me!
Hey,
what?
Wait, what's going on, Moose? Who's chasing you? What is that?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe this one crazy girl right there in front of me looking at me trying to kill me. Here,
maybe she's hungry. Here, have it. Have some cake. I don't want this flour.
This chef cooked up Jeff for me. What? Wait,
no,
what?
Want
some of Jeff here?
Ew! I don't remember.
All right. Yo, what the heck are you even doing here, Moosina? And where's Jeff the Moose at? What even happened to him, bro? Jeff's my bro. Well, actually, I mean, he's kind of my bro, but he's a really bad bro. Because I missed you. Listen, we talked about this. I am not interested in dating you or going out at all. You're weird and crazy. So, yeah. Same with Skylar, all right? Like I said, Jeff is Ian. We are married. So, let me explain to you what's going on here. So, Jeremy, this person right here is crazier than me.
Oh, have a cookie.
And
have another.
She thinks that we're
have 63
dating.
of them.
Oh, I guess that will distract her. Yeah, so Jeremy, pretty much, she thinks we're dating, but we're not dating. And then she has this fight with this other girl named Skylar. It's you know how it is, bro. So,
wow, crazy.
Yeah. Okay, well, anyways, what is going on over here? And who set this up, bro? What is this stuff? Truth or dare? Get up here if you dare. I did. I had taken over. Oh. I guess in that case, that works. Awesome. All right, so what do we do? We're playing Truth or Dare? So how's this going to work? Who's going to go first?
Oh, man. I'm excited.
Oh, Jeremy, we got to chef it up, buddy. Yeah, I go first.
All day. Here, have a watermelon.
Yo, thank you.
Are.
With some big face and some of this truth. I guess I don't. All right.
It's your turn. Go ahead.
All right.
Your turn.
Is it true that what are you thinking? Something interesting. Huh? Is it true that you're a foul beast? Does that make any sense? No.
Ew. Oh, sorry. No, that was my steak. I meant to give you a raw fish. There you are. Have a nice day.
Savage. Okay. What was the point of that truth?
She's chasing me.
Come back. Okay, I'll go up next. Okay. You know what? Hey, Jeremy, You're gonna ask truth or dare. No. Yes. Jeremy's gonna ask. Okay.
I'm gonna ask.
My turn.
Okay, fine.
You already went. You just went. I did the truth for you. I ask you. No, that's not happening. Okay, fine. Truth. Because I'm not doing a dare with you. Not a chance. Go ahead. What you got? Oh. It was some fish with some and some of this nice pictures. Do you love me? If not, you don't love anymore, else ever. You must love me. You see, Jeremy?
Here, love some pumpkin pie. You know?
No, I'm not interested, but here's a watermelon and here's a pumpkin pie. So bye.
Let's go, Moose.
Yo, we gotta get out of here, bro. She's about to freak out, dog. Oh, you buy food for a day? No, I told you, Jeff. I told you, Jeremy. She's just crazy, man. She's crazy, bro.
Moose milk. Yay! Hey.
No.
I need it.
All right. So who's up next? Who's going up next, huh?
I'll go.
All right, Jeremy, get up there, buddy. Hop on the stage, dude. There you go.
Yeah, enjoy it. Have some moose milk. Everybody needs it. Okay. What do I have to pick truth or dare?
You never played Truth or Dare before?
I didn't have a lot of friends when I was growing up, but I play with my goldfish.
Is that legit? I knew you since high school. What do you mean? All right.
Okay, fine. I'll pick dare.
Okay, so I triple dog dare you.
Messina, I dare you.
No, Jeremy, that's not how it works, bro. I ask you truth or dare, you choose dare, and then I give you a dare. Get it?
Okay, that's not as fun for me then.
My name is Jeremy, and I'm a chef. I also have, I don't know what's ever going on.
Here, enjoy. You, Moose, enjoy some raw fish as well.
Okay, so Jeremy, I triple dog dare you to fight Messina to the death. Go!
All right! I challenge Messina.
Oh, she got a sword. Where'd you get a sword from? What? Attack, Jeremy! Sing him! Jeremy, come on, man up, buddy! Use your raw fish tactics.
I'm attacking!
Jeremy, that's not how you attack. Did you never PvP before?
Hey!
Oh! Jeremy!
Enjoy!
Jeremy, come on! Bro! Jeremy, you gotta get wrecked! Bro, get up!
I get a sword!
You don't need a sword, just use your raw fish to your fist, bro.
Okay, alright.
This is not working. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. Jeremy, are you kidding me? Jeremy, come on,
no! Messina killed me. It's okay, I'm gonna respawn. I'm gonna attack her.
She's savage, bro. Straight savage. Hey! Back off, lady. Okay, awesome. Well,
crazy
I guess,
lady? What are you?
Just crazy, bro. I told you, man. All right.
Like her.
So, anyways, I got an idea. My turn again. Oh, God. Okay, fine. Yay. Jeremy, it's your turn to ask her truth or dare.
Oh,
Dare.
my turn?
You didn't even ask you the question. Okay, all right. Jeremy, you got to dare Messina to do something.
Messina, you have to go to the grocery store and find me a purple lemon.
Yes! Go!
Okay.
Go find us a purple lemon. You gotta go. Not possible.
You mean, no, it's definitely possible. You just have to go to the farthest giant or, wherever you want to go. So
yeah, the furthest grocery store here. You know we're from Philadelphia, we call it Giant. All right.
Yeah, yeah, like Giant supermarket, wherever.
There you go, bro.
Huge places. Hey, move.
Messina, you gotta go do it. You gotta find an purple lemon. This is it. That's a raw fish. Stop stalling. Come on.
This is a pumpkin. I made this for you. No, yeah, that's right. Here.
What are you doing? Are you good? Jimmy,
I'm trying to trap her, but she's trapping me. I don't know why it's not working.
That's all we got. Moose, your turn. All right, fine. All right. Dare. But Jeremy's got to tell me the dare.
I have to tell you the dare?
Yeah.
Ew, no.
Oh, no. I dare you to kiss me. No. I said first, no.
Why is there cake here?
Yo, listen, Jeremy, you know we're best friends and all, but you got this one, okay? You can take care of her. I'm getting out of here. Hey,
Where are you going? No, you can't do this.
I'm escaping the daycare, bro. I'm not interested at all. No, I'm good, bro.
I don't even know where you guys went.
Oh, you don't need to know where I went. Nobody needs to know where I went. I'm out.
Oh, you guys went on your honeymoon?
No! I'm not dating!
Oh, she said yes.
But she's
That's
crazy!
Moose?
Jeremy, that's like me being a girlfriend and be like, hey, we're dating,
Ew.
but we're not. Well, actually,
Ew,
that doesn't
no.
make any sense. It's like me being like a random person and then saying that we're dating, but we don't even know.
Hey, Mustina!
How about this? Mustina, you can have Jeremy. All right, you can be your new boyfriend or something. All right. Oh, never mind. I guess. Nope. All right.
That's
She's
true
savage.
love. If you love him, let him go.
Yeah, exactly. Let me go. All right, let it go. Let it go.
I have a big potato. Do I hit her with it?
I don't think that's how it works, bro. Let him go buy me a wedding ring. No! Musina, you're crazy! You need like a therapy session or something. His girl. Alright, Jeremy, it's your turn, buddy.
I don't want to go anymore.
Jeremy, get up there right now.
I'm on the second floor. I'm stuck.
I go every Monday.
On the stairs.
Come on, Jeremy. You sound so dead, bro. Let's go.
I'm trying to make my way down. I can't. I'm stuck.
Jeremy,
in a
you're
hole.
dumb. Remember what I taught you, Jeremy. Slash TP. It's that simple.
No, I'm not uncreative. No.
You're not creative. Oh my god.
What?
That's dumb. If you guys didn't know, Jeremy's new to this stuff. He's a nub. He's a hashtag Jeremy's a noob. Okay, let's go.
Hashtag Jeremy's a noob. Hey, how are you? What are you doing up there?
Parkour. Very
Parkour.
bad. Oh, savage, bro. Okay, here we go. Just get in it. Get in it. Go.
What are you doing? Yeah.
Hey, you can't try this. Ow! You know what? No, I'm completely not interested anymore. I'm out of here.
Where you going?
No, she's being mean, bro. I don't want any part of this. I'm out of here, bro.
I'm throwing bread.
Nope, too bad. Too late. I'm
bread
out.
at her.
I'm out. Nope. We going on a date tonight. No, we're not. You're crazy. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope y'all today. Don't forget to subscribe, so the bell, leave a like, and I'll see y'all tomorrow with a new video. Bye.